In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play workshop maps in CS2, so be sure to watch the video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by having your CS2 closed. Now, you're going to download the map in the description. Mine is CS2_aim. And you're going to make sure to have this actually open. Now, you're going to go onto the Steam, right-click on CS2, click on Manage, and browse local files. Now, once you're here, you're going to make sure to have this and the actual file open, and you're going to click on Game, CSGO, and then Maps. You should see a bunch of VPK files. You're going to simply drag CS2_aim VPK, and it should just download into the maps. Now, once this is actually done, you're just going to make sure to take note of the actual name of the map so that you can load it in once you play Counter-Strike. Now, before you actually launch Counter-Strike, what you're going to do is you're going to right-click again, click on Properties, and then for launch options, type in -insecure. This will just make sure that you're able to load in to the workshop map. So, now that you've done that, now that your game is loaded up, you're going to click on your developer console and just make sure to type sv_cheats1. Now this will make sure that you can open up the map. Then you're going to type map and space, and you remember when you took a mental note of what your actual map was called. So mine is CS2_aim, and then I am going to click that. And as you can see, it's going to now load up this workshop map, and this is a super simple process. Now, since this map is actually a map that is still under construction, it is going to be a little bit difficult to first load in. But as you can see, you open the warm-up map and you can start warming up. Now, something interesting that you're going to need to note is that you are going to load up on your settings, click on Game, and then at the very top, you're going to make sure that Install Counter-Strike Workshop Tools is clicked to yes. This will make sure that you can actually launch up your workshop tools. And once that is actually done, you can X off of CSGO and reload in once again. Now, something important to note is that when you open it up for the second time, you do not have to have these launch options anymore. Now, once you launch, you can now launch in Counter-Strike 2 Workshop Tools, click on Play, and it will load up. Now, once you actually launch the workshop tools, there are a bunch of items that you can use that are different than a regular game would be. Now, once I'm actually loaded up, I'm going to open my console once again, and it looks a little bit different this time, but I'm going to do map CS2_aim, the same one. I'm going to launch it, and you should be good to go to actually warm up. Now, as you can see, you are now able to warm up and use these workshop maps. As you can see, it is unfortunately a little bit glitchy, but you can actually do whatever you'd like. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.